Welcome back to online teaching of science lecture of standard 8. Today we are continuing our lesson number 13, chemical change and chemical bond. Dear students, in previous session we seen that what is the chemical change. During any chemical change, composition of original substance changes to form new substance with a different composition and properties. We observe many chemical changes in everyday life. First, natural chemical changes. First, respiration. Respiration is a continuously occurring biological process. In this process, we inhale the air and exhale carbon dioxide and water vapor. After an in-depth study, it is learned that glucose in the cells reacts with oxygen in the inhaled air to form carbon dioxide and water. Photosynthesis. You know that green plants perform photosynthesis in sunlight. Means green plants making their own food with the sunlight. It is called the photosynthesis. It is also chemical changes. Man-made chemical changes. Combustion of fuels. Wood, coal, petrol or cooking gas are burned for getting the energy. And a common substance that burns in all these fuels is a carbon. During the combustion process, carbon combines with oxygen in air and the product carbon dioxide is formed. Cleaning Shahbaz tile with dilute hydrochloric acid. The chemical composition of Shahbaz tile is mainly calcium carbonate, and during its cleaning with hydrochloric acid, the upper layer of the tile reacts with hydrochloric acid and three products are formed. One of them is calcium chloride, which being soluble in water and gets washed away with water. The second product is carbon dioxide, means it bubbles mix up in the air, and the third product, water mixes with the water. Softening of hard water. Some wells or tube wells have hard water. It is brackish to taste and does not form lather with soap. This is because of hard water contains the chloride and sulfate salts of calcium and magnesium is dissolved state. To soften the hard water, a solution of washing soda is added to it, and this results in a chemical reaction to form a precipitate of insoluble carbonate salts of calcium and magnesium. As the dissolved salts of calcium and magnesium go out in the form of precipitate of the carbonate salts, and the water is softened. Now we will see what is the chemical bond. Noble gases do not form any chemical bond as their electron, octet or duplet is complete, while the atoms with incomplete electron, octet or duplet form chemical bonds. Reason for this is that an atom uses its valence electrons during formation of chemical bond. Moreover, on forming chemical bonds equal to its valency, the atom attains the electronic configuration of complete, octet or duplet. There are two methods to complete octet or duplet. First one is ionic bond. Example of sodium chloride. The electronic configuration of sodium is 281 and electronic configuration of chlorine is 287. Valency of sodium is 1 as it has one electron in its valence shell, and the valency of chlorine is 1 as its valence shell is short of one electron to have a complete octet. On loss of valence electron from M shell, the penultimate shell L of sodium atom becomes outermost shell. It has 8 electrons in it, and effectively sodium attains a electron octet state. However, the electron number becomes 10, hence the positive charge plus 11 on the sodium nucleus is imbalanced, and sodium plus cation carrying net positive charge plus 1 is formed. On the other hand, valence shell of chlorine atom contains an electron less to the octet state. On accepting an electron from outside, octet of chlorine is completed. However, the charge balance is disturbed due to addition of an electron to the neutral chlorine atom, and this results in the formation of an anion, means chlorine negative carrying a net negative charge -1. When the elements sodium and chlorine combine, an atom of sodium gives its valence electron to a chlorine atom, whereby the cations means sodium positive and anions means chlorine negative are formed due to the electrostatic force of attraction between opposite charges, and the oppositely charged ions get attracted to each other and a chemical bond is formed between them. Such type of bond is called ionic bond or an electrovalent bond. The compound formed by means of one or more ionic bonds is called ionic compound. The another example is the ionic bond formation in magnesium chloride. The electronic configuration of magnesium is 282. So, there are 2 electrons in their outermost shell, and after giving these 2 electrons, the electronic configuration becomes 28. Thus, magnesium complete its octet state. So, magnesium ion B, 2 positive ions form and it combines with chlorine molecules and donates 1 positive ion is formed. It combines 2 chlorine molecules and donates 1 electron to each of the chlorine atom. By receiving 1 electron from the magnesium atom, chloride ions are formed and thus formation of ionic bond in magnesium chloride molecules takes place. Covalent bond. Let us see the example of hydrogen molecule. Hydrogen atom contains 1 electron. Its duplet is short of 1 electron and therefore the valency of hydrogen is 1. The 2 atoms of hydrogen are identical and have similar tendency, and therefore they share their electrons with each other. As a result, the electron duplet of both the hydrogen atoms is complete and a chemical bond is formed between them. A chemical bond formed by sharing of valence electrons of two atoms with each other is called a covalent bond. And one covalent bond is formed by sharing of two valence electrons. A covalent bond between two atoms is also represented by dash joining their symbols. Now let us see the formation of covalent bond in H2O molecule. H2O molecule of a covalent compound is formed from hydrogen and oxygen atoms. There are 6 electrons in the valence shell of the oxygen atom. It means that the electron octet in oxygen is short of 2 electrons, because of we want the 8 electron in the outermost shell, and the valency of oxygen is 2. In the H2O molecule, the oxygen atom completes its octet by forming two covalent bonds, one each with the two hydrogen atoms. And while this happens, the duplets of the two hydrogen atoms also are completed, and thus the formation of covalent bond is H2O molecule is completed.